We welcome you to a new experiment. In this experiment, we are going to explore how you can interface an ultrasonic sensor with Arduino microcontroller using InnoKit MPK A100. For those of you who are not familiar with InnoKit MPK A100, it is an electronic trainer kit designed by NyerekaTech Company to guide the learners from fundamentals to mastering embedded systems. This trainer kit is divided into several sections. During this experiment, we are going to focus on the ultrasonic sensor section and the microcontroller section. We are going to connect the two sections using jumper wires. Now, let us go through the steps to implement this experiment. First of all, insert the ultrasonic sensor into its designated connector on the trainer kit. The pins of the ultrasonic sensor are clearly available on the board. The same applies to the Arduino microcontroller pins, which are also accessible on the board and properly labeled for easy identification. The next step is to use jumper wires to connect the ultrasonic sensor pins on the trainer kit to the corresponding pins of the Arduino microcontroller. To ensure proper connection, refer to the wiring diagram provided. After completing all connections, connect a USB cable from the trainer kit to your computer. This will power the board and allow you to upload the program to the Arduino microcontroller. Before uploading the code, click Verify button in the Arduino IDE to check for any errors. If the code compiles successfully, click Upload to send the program to the Arduino board through the USB cable. Once the program has been uploaded, open the serial monitor in the Arduino IDE. The measured distance will be displayed there in real time. After the board is powered and the program is uploaded into the Arduino microcontroller, it's time to observe the results. Place an object in front of the ultrasonic sensor and watch the serial monitor to see how the distance readings change as you move the object closer or further from the sensor.